Snap out of it. Hi, apartment therapy. Welcome to my space. I feel very lucky sitting in this seat. This little space has housed Bette Davis, Lucille Ball, Bryan Cranston, Sting, Elaine Stritch, Harvey Fierstein. Last in here was Tony Award winner Nathan Lane for Angels in America. Sadly, he did not leave his Tony for me. I asked the fantastic designer, Mike Harrison, to kind of give me breath. I don't get to spend a lot of time here in this space in the midst of the show, but before I become Cher, and then in between shows, I definitely take a nap. Pillows that are totally makeup friendly, so exciting. Blankets that don't shed. So all of this can be converted to cozy. I'm the orchid killer. This is my complete and utter confession that I buy the orchids. I do the best I can, but so Mike also indulged me by giving me some greenery that will never die. One of my favorite details or elements of this room is actually this great rug. I love the texture of it, of how it also kind of complements all of these little details that you might miss. But if you're looking at the rug, then you can also pick up all these really great cutouts that also add to that Moroccan feel. This is my dressing table. Great, cozy, gorgeous chair, which makes me feel a bit like a queen, which is great, a pop goddess, if you will. Some Cher tchotchkes. Saint Cher candle. May she bless my space. I believe in her. Oh, did you see that? I believe. Do you believe? Because I believe. So I've got lots of her posters around, which also inspire me. I bet you wouldn't expect to see these. Yes, this is part of my costume for Cher. For those of you true Cher fans, you might know what character this invokes. If you don't, I encourage you to check out a character named Laverne that she used to play on the Cher Show back in the day. So excellent, and she makes an appearance during the show. After I played Liza Minnelli, I swore to myself that I wouldn't play another living icon ever again. But somehow the intrigue of who Cher is, what she brings out as a woman, as a performer, as an activist, I really wanted to step into her shoes. I have met Cher. She gave her blessing, which was needed. I wasn't going to move forward, nor were the producers going to move forward with me unless Cher gave the A-OK. I've yet to see her in the last couple weeks here in the theater, but I'm sure she'll be around soon. And when she does, you can feel her force, even if she's a block away. You know Cher's coming.